What are you hearing about the Cavaliers' interest in the trade market right now?
Well, the Cavaliers are going to be aggressive, and they're in a difficult spot because they don't know whether LeBron James is staying, and they don't know how much of their future they want to mortgage to try to win this year. One thing that is in play is Cleveland's first-round pick this year, and talking to teams around the league and Cleveland officials. That Brooklyn pick, though, they own from the Kyrie Irving trade with Boston, they're not going to use that they have not used it at all in conversations for DeAndre Jordan. That'll be a hard deal to do without it. But if they can find a big-time difference maker who they think puts them over the top, then that Brooklyn pick will be in play. But they've got to get better defensively. They certainly have to get better around the rim. They're among the worst in the league at protecting the basket.
And if DeAndre Jordan isn't the threshold for that unprotected pick, you wonder just the quality, the caliber of player Cleveland would require.
It's a short list.
Certainly sounds like it. Kyle Lowry would be on that list. He's the type of talent that the Raptors are missing. He hurt his back Monday against the Nets. What are you hearing about his status?
I texted with Kyle this morning. He's going through a lot of rehab right now to try to get back as quickly as he can. He'd love to be back for their game with Golden State on Saturday at home, but he just doesn't know right now whether that bruised tailbone will respond in time to return that quickly.